You may have and ahed about buying an air conditioning system, but choosing the perfect one for you, at the right price, without the hassle and with all the convenience, seems to be a difficult task. From tried and tested research, our team of experts here at Truma have engineered the Aventa roof-mounted air conditioning unit, not only to cool you down in the heat, but to work automatically with your heating system for your own personalised climate. Fitting this to your caravan or motorhome is simple, taking only a few hours, all dependent on the year, make and model of your vehicle. We train all our dealers and mobile engineers each year at our UK site to meet high-quality standards of installation. The Aventa offers maximum efficiency with automatic climate control. You can personalise your temperature setting and let the vehicle's heating and cooling system work simultaneously for your comfort. A convenient sleep function, when selected, keeps you cool but without the background noise. The unit's light weight means that there is no need to worry about a large increase in your vehicle's weight, with our lightest model, the Eco, weighing just 28 kilos. The unit has a cooling air output of 2,400 watts down to a temperature of 16 degrees C, dependent on outside temperature, which means you can travel in the heat without a worry. Where it may not be suitable in your caravan or motorhome to fit a roof-mounted unit, we provide a storage compartment option in various sizes to fit under your seating or sleeping area. Our intelligent iNet system can be fitted to your caravan or motorhome to allow full operation of your air conditioner unit remotely from your smartphone, whether it be the roof-mounted or storage compartment system. Simple and easy. Make sure your dispatch manager explains how to operate the Aventa using the remote control and panel, and if you have the iNet system installed, using the Truma app downloaded to your smartphone. If you have the digital CP Plus panel, you can control the air conditioning unit from here, as well as using the remote control by clicking the cooling symbol to switch the air conditioner on. Switch the air conditioning system on using the on-off switch on the remote control. Use the various buttons to control the mode, temperature, fan level, timer, sleep function and ambient lighting to suit your needs.